Welcome to our interior design tutorial on creating a stylish and easy-to-maintain shower space. Today, we'll guide you through decorating your shower using a range of components designed for both aesthetics and functionality. Let's get started. First, decide on a color palette that suits your style. Consider using water-resistant paint for the walls. A neutral color scheme can create a serene atmosphere. Next, select your wall tiles and grout. Opt for tiles that are both beautiful and easy to clean. Ensure the grout is mold-resistant. A contrasting tile pattern can add visual interest. Install a sleek shower enclosure with a glass door. This not only adds a modern touch but also makes your shower area feel more spacious. The glass is easy to clean with the right products. Choose a shower base or pan that matches your bathroom style. This component is not only functional but can also be a design element. Easy-to-clean materials are a must. Install a stylish showerhead and faucet controls. Modern fixtures not only enhance the aesthetics but also provide convenience. Look for options with anti-lime or self-cleaning features. Now, let's add some functional accessories. Include a shower niche for storing toiletries, grab bars for safety, and a bench or seat for comfort. These components make your shower more practical. Don't forget the shower drain. A well-designed drain system ensures efficient water drainage. It's essential for maintaining a clean and hygienic shower. If you prefer a curtain over a glass door, choose a high-quality shower curtain rod. Additionally, install a shower shelf for storing shampoo, soap, and other essentials. Proper lighting is crucial. Consider installing waterproof shower lighting to create a relaxing ambience. And don't forget a ventilation fan to prevent moisture buildup and mold. For added convenience, include a handheld shower head. It's versatile and aids in cleaning. Ensure your flooring is anti-slip for safety. Finally, add a soap dish and towel bar for the finishing touches. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and arranging these shower components, you can create an easy clean, stylish, and functional shower space that you'll love. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.